Another great property offered by the Pimentel Group of Long and Foster. We strive to serve our real estate audience with the highest level of commitment, whether you are buying or selling a home. This home is just another one of our many offerings. Great things come in small packages. Bayview Townhouse Renovation, ready for a new owner. Convenient location plus off-street parking makes this handsomely appointed home perfect for the savvy buyer. Covered front and rear porch. 2 spacious upper-level rooms with updated hall bath that features artistic tiled flooring and new vanity and tub shower. Main level is open from living room to dining room and features new wood laminate flooring and faux brick accent wall, a classic touch in line with Charm City decor. Enjoy your new kitchen with gray wood cabinets, new stainless appliances. Lower level fully finished west laundry room and new half bath.